1996 Pontiac Firebird T-top car here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 3-owner car. Last owner of this car owned for 20 plus years. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, just a little over 138,000 on this one. Has had one repaint just due to age and the condition of the paint, so paint shows well. 3.8 liter underneath the hood. And it's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. As we take a look at the nose cone, again, you can see paint shows well up front. Power steering, power brakes, AC. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726. Number to call, uniqueclassiccars.com. When you check out all the still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. Interior on it, dark gray cloth, bucket seats, center console, the shifter on the floor. As you can see there. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay. First, I want you to remember, as we do consider trades, financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Come around to take a look at the rear of the car. I do have pictures with the T-tops in, T-tops out. Want to let you know, as you can see by this back window, the windows have been tinted as well as the side glass. So know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of tint that you can have, darkness, so to speak. As you can see, same with the tail lights, marker lights. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. As we take a look down the driver's side of this car, another thing is, can't make it to look at this car in person, maybe due to time or distance. We have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to come take a look at this car for you. Remember, 3-owner car, clean Carfax, no accident indicated, confirmed miles. Previous owner of this car had it for 20 plus years. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Take a look at the seating surfaces also. Good condition. Really free of any major rips, tears, holes. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Stereo working. About the gauges. There's the gauges are working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Just the fact I don't have my seatbelt on. AM, FM, CD with equalizer built in. Dash looks good. Appears this car was probably stored indoors. Judging by the interior, you can have a nice sports car without breaking the bank in this one. I guess your fuel economy and insurance premium is going to be a little less too. All right, let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped, check out the engine bay, and remember, at the end of the video, we'll do a driving video with this, so kind of see what it's like going down the road in it. Take a virtual ride, if you will. Let's get that hood open. Get a look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. You can see that nice and clean, no doubt about that. All taken care of. I'll hit the headlight switch here in a second too. We'll check out those headlights. 3.8 liter. Power steering, power brakes, and AC. And let's check out these headlights here in a second. Working order, 1996 Pontiac Firebird. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And remember, of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1996 Pontiac Firebird. Nice bright red color with a dark charcoal interior. This is an automatic on the center console, which means it is easy to drive. All our gauges are working, our turn signals are working. Temperature is about 170. Oil pressure is about 65 to 70 pounds. The battery's charging at 14 volts, and the fuel gauge is over half. Factory radio works well. Some of these will have issues with the volume knob. This one seems fine. Our blower motor is working. These are one of the more comfortable cars that I've driven. Pontiac and their bucket seats, they just know how to do it. Very good acceleration in this Firebird. These bucket seats are cloth, so nice and comfortable. They don't get hot in the sun or anything like that. This car is equipped with T-tops, glass T-tops, which I can see out right now. Awesome feature to have. One of the last years I think you could get T-tops. Last body styles for sure. Brakes are working well. This car corners pretty well, doesn't lean much in the corners. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.